Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick, easy video on super easy, fast Halloween costumes. Obviously, this year has been insane, and I don't know about where you guys are living, but here in BC, Halloween has kind of been canceled. Not like canceled, but like trick-or-treating is a no-go. And the malls aren't doing trick-or-treating. Most people aren't going trick-or-treating. Most people I know aren't giving out candy because they don't want people coming to their doors because of, obviously, everything that's going on in the world. Even me, who normally has a huge Halloween party, that has been canceled. I'm so sad because I am somebody that loves Halloween. I dress up every year. I make a costume. I sew it. I make it. You've seen... If you've been around in this channel for a little while, you've seen previous Halloween videos. I love Halloween, and unfortunately this year it's been kind of poopy. So I figured I would do a quick Halloween video just on things that if somehow something, by some miracle, we can go trick-or-treating, or, well, not me personally, but we could do that, or if there is going to be any, like, gatherings that you kind of have to dress up for, this is the video for you. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome and thanks for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you're getting all the notifications of when these upcoming videos are coming out so you can get some of my fun content. So let's start off with a super easy peasy one. Obviously, there's the whole let's be a mouse thing for Halloween. That one's easy. You could be a cute, sexy mouse, or you could be like, you know, just a cute little kid mouse, depending on what you are. But I think that adding a pair of, oops, my headband, Mickey ears to any costume, and then not any costume, just add some black to your outfit and put some little whiskers on and call yourself Mickey Mouse. Obviously, these are more like mini ears. These ones definitely scream a little more blingy than the regular Mickey ears, but you could get yourself a pair of Mickey ears, or you could make a quick, easy pair of Mickey ears. Obviously, you wanted to do something more like Moana ones. These are obviously ones I have made. These are the Moana ones that I made for my Halloween, or for the last time I went to Disneyland. So you could pretty much do anything. This one, this one's a little bit gibbled. I need to put this star back on. It broke, but these are another set. You could literally do a little mermaid set and just call yourself Ariel. I mean, it's super easy. You don't need much if you're gonna pull off a fun Mickey outfit. Okay, and then another super easy one is just to grab yourself a mask from the dollar store and just wear a mask. This one, you would probably want to wear something a bit fancier. It's got, you can just say you're from like the Phantom of the Opera or something because this one's got lace. Easy. Then, of course, you can do the old regular, get yourself a hat from the dollar store. Keeping in mind, everything except for the Mickey ears that I'm about to show you is all from the dollar store. So you get yourself a hat. Oh, I did that wrong. So this one is obviously a repeat offender. You've probably seen this in a video or two of mine before. And it's got this is just from the dollar. It's not staying in my updo. Okay. So this is from the Dollarama. It was $3 for this hat. And then you could just wear some witchy kind of makeup and like a black dress and done. Or purple, whatever, anything. You know, easy peasy. Super, super easy. Super cheap. There is stuff like this. So I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. This is obviously a Halloween costume. It comes with a bow tie. Ta-da! Super cute. And then it has some devil ears. And then it comes with a foam devil's tail, I think this is. I'm pretty sure there's like a little noodle in here. You just strap that on around your waist and ta-da! So there you go. That is, you don't even need the tail, honestly. Throw on some black and some red lipstick and some funky eyeshadow and hello, Halloween. Cute, simple. It was $1.25 at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. Alrighty, so then there's some other options that I picked up. I've had these, this one for a little while. This is the Day of the Dead. These are just face tattoos. It was $1.50 at the Dollarama. This is what it looks like. You literally will look like this if you put it on right. This is super easy. Throw it on. They don't take very much scrubbing to get off. It's pretty awesome. Then there is like something like this. This one comes with a full like shiny situation, and this one actually has like the gems included. But like this is cool. Put some black on and you're glamorous and Halloweeny. So, I mean, those are super easy. And honestly, you don't need anything but water and some makeup remover to get them off. Of course, there's always some nice fun Halloween, super, super cheap wigs. This was the one that made it an appearance last year, yeah, for my Beetlejuice. And you can always just slap that on with one of these and done. Easy peasy. And then, of course, there's something super easy. These are what they are. They're little, I don't know if my camera is picking them up. I'll show you. They are little, I don't even know what they're called. You'd have to go online. These would be a little bit harder to get now. I bought these on eBay like a bazillion years ago. I was making jewelry with things like this, and they're little like steampunk things. This package even came with like one of these. So what you could do is take some glue, eyelash glue, and stick them to your face with a little bit of kind of like a broken look. And ta-da! You've got gears, and you could say you're a broken clock, or you can say you're just a steampunk thing. Super easy. They come in all different kinds of, like, that would be super cute. You can also pick up bigger ones. You can get them in like different colors too. Or you can just Google it online, and you can go and just Google steamwork, like steampunk gadgets, and come up with some cardboard pieces, you know, draw them yourself and cut them out and use that and put it on your outfit as well as this on your face. Or you can do the same thing with like some cardboard and like quickly paint it with some paint. All right, and for the last one, there are things like this at the Dollar Tree. This is really cool. So it says that this is a light up mermaid mask, and on the back it says that if you get the mask, there's a tail, you can get hair, and then you can get accessories, and there's this girl all ready to go. So I didn't pick up any of the other things, only because I'm kind of a mermaid already, so I don't really need the hair, and I already have mermaid tails, and I have enough hair accessories, so this is the only thing I really looked at. So this is what the mask looks like, and you just flip the switch, and ta-da! There is your mask. Now you are a mermaid. So I thought that was really cute. And then, of course, there's just the switch here. So honestly, I picked this up for $1. It's like $1.45 with tax in Canada. So this, literally, I think I'm just going to stick on my wall as a decoration for fun, because I think it's super cute. But, well, that was everything for this Halloween super easy costume idea video. If you guys have any super easy other ones that you want to let everyone know, leave me a comment in the comments below, and we can kind of start a discussion of super easy costumes. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!